Here's a quick video to show you how linked events work. Linked events allow an event from one organization to carry times or scores to an event on another organization. This is what it looks like after it's already been linked. So we have the host event, which is the Barrel Racing Challenge that has their class, the Open 4D, and then the hosted events class, the SaddleBook SidePot, which will show up here on their production page in blue. On the hosted event side, looking at the SaddleBook SidePot, all they will see is their classes. They will use their carry settings to let the class know that it is carrying from the host events Barrel Racing Challenge Class 100. If we look at the public-facing event page for both of these events, you will see that there is a link to the other event down below. If a rider does an entry on the hosted event where it requires a class from the other event, it will let them know. They would just go through their entry as usual. Upon submitting their entry, if they have not yet completed an entry for the host event, it will have a prompt here that they just need to tap and it will take them to the other event. They can then enter the event here. After the rider has entered both the host and the hosted events, they will see a link on their entries to the other corresponding entry. They will also see information of where the classes will carry from and to on their entry forms. As times are recorded in the Open 4D, they will automatically carry over to the SaddleBook SidePot. These results will show on both the host event and the hosted events production pages. At the end of the race, the hosted event would close out their SidePot as usual, and the host event would close out their classes, the Open 4D, as usual. The host event has access to record times on the hosted events class. However, they do not have access to final results, payouts, or settings.